Hi, my name is Sydney Lilly. I was a resident in Cohort 7, and this is my RTR story. My RTR story started as a resident way back when, it feels like. And when I think about that, I first think about the phone call I got from Dr. McKnight when I was just, at the time, a runner-up, and getting that phone call from her saying, hey, we've got the funds. We would love to have you come and join us. And saying yes literally has led to so many more yeses along the way. RTR prepared me. They invested and supported me to help me follow the path to become a teacher that I felt so called and led to do. So I'm so thankful for that experience. Having Katrina become my colleague, oh my goodness, seeing her just shine light and the things that, we had a whole year together. And to see her nurture that skill of what she felt called and led to do to become a teacher, being able to pay it forward and to invest in her as many people invested in me was an experience that I am so very thankful for. It helped me realize that I wanted to become a leader. Having that experience with her and now seeing her as a colleague, I get to see her shine and just to continue to flourish. Presenting with her and be in her element has been an amazing experience.